Hello everyone, this is Alicia, and let's talk about the beginner's guide to head wrapping. And I'm sure there are few people out there who have an interest in head wrapping and just want, some basic information just to get comfortable in head wrapping, just to really get involved with, you know, head wrapping, the art of it, the love of it, or just getting involved to the point that they want to make head wrapping a part of their everyday lifestyle. So the first step, the most important thing you want to do first before you even decide to start head wrapping, you have to understand, you have to know your purpose for head wrapping. Is head wrapping going to be a lifestyle? Or are you doing it as a part of modesty? Are you head wrapping because of bad hair days, just to cover up your hair for those bad hair days? Do you want to do something new or something different for your hair? Is it going to be a part of your protective styling measure to protect your hair from the elements, from the environment? So first sit back and think about your purpose of head wrapping, or the purpose of you deciding to head wrap. Now, second is the shopping phase. When you are out buying your head wraps, you want to have your arsenal of head wraps, your supply of head wraps, and you want to know where to begin. First, you take a good look at your wardrobe, see what you have in your closet, look at the clothes that you wear on a regular basis, and coordinate your head wraps or hair scarves based on those clothing. So now you're going out, you're looking for head wraps, and you want to know what in the hell is a head wrap? What am I buying? What am I looking for? You're just looking for hair scarves. Head wrapping is just taking a hair scarf and just tying it in a particular style on your head. That's all it is. So you're just looking for head scarves that will fit comfortably on your hair, that has some length, and they come in various different shapes, they come in various different styles and colors and textures. So you're looking for, look at the type of style that you want to wear in your hair, and you just base your purchase of your hair scarf based on a particular style you want to wear in your hair. Do you want a lot of volume? Then you'll go for hair scarves that are pretty long, more rectangular. And if you want a little less volume, then you may seek your square scarves. But it also depends on the style too, based on the shape of the scarves too. You have to look at the color. Does it match well with your complexion and with your skin? Because you can go out and buy hair scarves that coordinate well with your clothing, but if it doesn't blend in well with your skin tone, if you're a dark skin or if you're a lot lighter skin, if it doesn't blend well with your actual skin tone, then you will have major issues when it's time to put that hair scarf on your head, because you have to look at your face. The hair scarf is going to frame and bring out your face and your complexion and your facial features. So if it drowns your facial features, then you're going to feel uncomfortable wearing it. But if it brings out your facial features, then you will enjoy wearing and fall in love with wearing those particular hair scarves on a regular basis. So look at the hair scarves, look at your wardrobe, make sure that the hair scarves that you're wearing coordinate well with your wardrobe. So that is the most important step when shopping for hair scarves. And then number two, can't forget to talk to you guys about this particular subject when shopping for hair scarves. You gotta look at texture. And the climate, the type of climate that you're in at the current time when shopping for hair scarves. So if you're like right now is, you know, you're in the winter months. Right now is winter. And just for instance, we're in winter right now. So you want hair scarves that is thicker in texture. You want hair scarves that is got a little weight to it. So that is very important. So, and in the summertime, you want to seek lighter weight and maybe brighter colors or lighter weight fabric because of the heat. You know, you want something that's going to be cooling on the hair, and you want to look for light colors because you want something to reflect the sun. So then that way your head it's not hot, you know, you're not worrying about heat, you're not worrying about sweating in the hair because the sun is acting more as an reflector from the heat of the sun. So you want lighter colors in the summertime, summer and springtime, and maybe darker colors in the winter, heavier fabric in the winter, lighter fabric in the summer. So that is your first goal when shopping for hair scarves. Number 2, you want to have fun with your hair scarf and find the certain styles that you may enjoy wearing. You know, something simple that is easy for you to do. So I recommend 2 to 3 hairstyles that you like, that you enjoy, that you feel you enjoy wearing on a regular basis, and just stick with that style. Get used to it, where it's something that you can just quickly, you know, add to your hair, you know, or style on your head. So you want something quick and easy, an easy method of styling as far as headscarves. And then finally, have fun with your hair scarves. When shopping, just have a great time shopping for hair scarves. Have fun with the styling of the hair scarves and everything else. I mean, it's easy to find. You can go to your local fashion stores, fashion and accessory stores. You can find all sorts of hair scarves on eBay. There are even online sites that sell an array of different hair scarves, African style hair scarves, all types of hair scarves that's available online. And Amazon, I believe they sell, you know, different types of hair scarves that you can find at reasonable prices. So it's not that hard to find. It's just, you know, you just need to, you know, think about the style and the look of the hair scarves. Will it look good on you? Will it go well with your skin tone or complexion? And then that's just about it. And just have fun. So hair scarves, the idea of head wrapping is very simple. It's not complicated. And one thing I love about head wrapping is that I don't have to, you know, worry about those bad hair days. You know, I just wrap it up. There's no such thing as a bad hair day when head wrapping. And I can always, you know, style it in a way according to my mood, you know, how I feel on a regular basis. And that's what you have to look at when you're styling or wrapping your hair. You know, if you're going to the gym, you can wrap it accordingly and just have your particular hair scarves that's strictly for, you know, the gym or exercising or outdoor activities. And then if you want to be sexy or feel great, you're going on an outing, you can have your hair scarves for that. Or if you're going to work, then you can have your hair scarves for that. So, I mean, the options is endless with head wrapping. So have fun, have a great time with it. That's about it for right now. If and have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you guys have a great day, and thank you all for watching. Goodbye.